everyone. I wanted to take a few minutes to explain what you need to do to complete the Writing About Poetry assignment this week. First thing is you are definitely going to want to go over the material covering chapters 17 through 19 found in the week 8 and 9 modules. I covered chapter 17 in week 8 and chapters 18 and 19 in week 9. Alright, you're going to complete this in a Word document. You can create your own Word document or whatever other type of file you have and type your answers, or you can download the assignment that I have attached in the assignment instructions. Right? Either way is totally up to you. Alright, there's two parts to this assignment. Okay, part 1 is dealing with poetry terms. And there are 9 terms there that I'm asking you to define. Just write the definition for each of those terms. Persona, tone, denotation, connotation, simile, metaphor, personification, imagery, and symbol. What are the definitions of those 9 terms? Part 2, we're going to be looking for poetic devices. For this part, I want you to choose a poem or song lyric that you personally like. Not a poem or a song that we have looked at throughout this class. A poem or song of your choosing, right? You are going to attach a copy of that poem or lyric along with your submission for this assignment. Or you can copy and paste the lyrics at the bottom of your assignment after you answer the questions. Or you could even just put a link to the lyrics. But you have to give me some way of reading the poem or song that you have chosen. Got it? And then you are going to answer 2 questions about that poem or song. Question 1. What poetic devices can you identify in your chosen poem/song? Refer to the list in part 1 to help you. If you're like, what does she mean by poetic devices? I'm talking about those terms that you defined in part 1, that list of 9 terms. How many of those can you identify? How many of those can you find in the poem or song that you chose? And tell me, give me an example. In question 2, what is your chosen poem or song about? And how do those poetic devices help us understand the meaning more fully? So for instance, if you chose a poem or a song that has a lot of similes in it, how do those similes help us understand the poem or song better? If there's a lot of imagery, how does the imagery help us understand it better, right? This is kind of what we've been doing with the song lyrics that we've read in our discussions, and it's what we did with the poems we looked at in weeks 8 and 9, right? So just try to use what you have already done throughout the term to help you with this, right? But I wanted to give you an opportunity to choose a poem or a song that you wanted to look at, okay? Alright, so if you have any questions or concerns, let me know right away. Otherwise, just try to have it submitted by Sunday night at 11:59, and I'm really, truly looking forward to reading about the poems and songs that you guys have chosen. So, have fun with it.